If you're struggling to gain followers on TikTok without results, you're not alone. But don't worry. I found a site that allows you to increase your real and interactive followers very easily. You will find a link to the site in the first comment or in the description. All you have to do is enter your email address and TikTok account name. It's best to copy them directly from here to avoid any errors. Then, select your country and the type of device you're using and proceed with ease. Click Go to Task, and here the fun begins. You'll find a variety of tasks, such as downloading an app or taking a survey. Every task you complete equals more followers. For example, download one app and get 40 followers instead of 20. Read each task description carefully and complete it completely. After you're done, go back and complete the remaining tasks. And the more you complete, the more followers you'll have. I tried this site in front of you. It really works. And this is the number of followers before and after using it. It only took me a few minutes. Why waste your time? You'll find a link to the site in the first comment or in the description. Try it now and quickly increase your followers. Don't forget to stay tuned and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.